Hello everyone, welcome to Posiflex video. My name is Michael and I would like to introduce you to our latest XT series POS terminal. The model name is XT8317. It has a 17-inch true flat PCAP touch display, providing a seamless and immersive user experience. Plus, its streamlined body and an elegantly curved base exude a sense of sophistication and charm, enhancing any environment it occupies, which makes it a perfect companion for retail and hospitality applications. For day-to-day operations, to protect the POS terminal from extended damages, the XT8317 POS terminal features aluminum die-casting housing. It can withstand heavy impacts and harsh usage conditions, ensuring a long-lasting performance. Posiflex's XT series POS terminal also has a very exciting design that is multi-position folding base, which has acquired a US patent. The folding base enables users to adjust the screen to a height and angle of their choice, providing unparalleled flexibility. The best part is it can be folded into a highly compact size, resulting in reduced packaging materials during the delivery and enhanced transportation convenience. The XT8317 POS terminal is powered by 11th generation Intel Tiger Lake processor. With that, the POS terminal delivers enhanced performance and high efficiency, resulting in powerful computing capability to run today's demanding POS applications. Posiflex put a lot of emphasis on reliability. XT8317 has a very efficient thermal solution and a fan-free design, providing a noiseless working environment and reduces repair and maintenance costs, making it more reliable and durable. We understand that the needs of every business are different. Therefore, we also offer the other variation, the XT8317E. It comes with a 150-watt power adapter, and it has one extra USB Type-C port for your storage and display output needs. Customers can choose the exclusive attachment for XT8317 POS terminal, including the 2D scanner, MSR, iButton reader, and selected side keypads. If you'd like to learn more about the XT8317, please visit our website at www.posiflex.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future video updates. See you next time.